Do you think starting a YouTube channel will take too much work and time? Yeah, that's what I thought when I first started too. But then, I learned that I can literally automate everything, and now I make and upload videos that will pay me forever, and it only takes me 3 hours a week. I'm going to show you the top 10 tools that I've used to help automate the whole YouTube automation process, so you can save time, keep up with your upload schedule, and still put out great content. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what tools to use to go from "I have an idea" to "this video is ready to go live." If you want the exact step-by-step breakdown of how to start an automated YouTube channel from scratch as a beginner, click the first link in the description. You'll find all the specific systems, workflows, and processes to create your automated YouTube channel that will pay you unlimited passive income. I have also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to sign up for free accounts and to get the best deals on these tools. Tool 1. When you're first getting started, you might have a million video ideas but zero clue if anyone's actually searching for them. That's where vidIQ steps in. Let's say you want to make a video about how to make money online. You just type that into vidIQ, and it'll show you exactly how popular that topic is, what the competition's like, and give you related keywords. This is super important, because the right keywords can mean the difference between getting 10 views and 10,000. Plus, vidIQ has this feature where you can see the tags and keywords that other creators are using, which is perfect if you're not sure how to start tagging your videos. Tool 2. This is another great tool to help you basically spy on your competitors and get more detailed video ideas. They have really great advanced filters. You can see the exact reasons why YouTubers are doing well in your niche, and you can generate video idea, title, and thumbnail combos. This is super helpful for mapping out a clear content schedule. Consistency is huge on YouTube. Uploading on the same day and time every week helps your audience know when to expect content from you. And 1 of 10, like all the other tools on this list, helps you stay consistent. Tool 3. If you don't want to record your own voice, or maybe just want to try something different, use 11 Labs. This tool can create AI voiceovers that sound surprisingly real. All you need to do is type in your script, pick a voice, and hit generate. You can tweak the tone and pace to make it sound a little more enthusiastic or laid back, depending on your channel's vibe. This is especially great if you don't have the best microphone or setup. This tool helps you skip needing to buy fancy equipment and spending hours recording. Just type, click, and you've got a voiceover ready to go. Tool 4. Now, what if you're a bit camera shy or just don't feel like being on camera? Use HeyGen. This tool lets you create AI avatars that can present your content for you. It's like having a digital version of yourself, or even a completely different character, if you want to mix things up. You just type in your script, choose an avatar, and HeyGen will take it from there. This is perfect for channels that focus more on information rather than personality-driven content, and the avatars look realistic enough that your viewers won't feel like they're watching a robot. Tool 5. Alright, let's move on to editing. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and simple editor, use CapCut. CapCut has a super clean, beginner-friendly interface that makes editing as simple as dragging and dropping. You can cut clips, add effects, tweak the colors, and even adjust audio levels. They've got built-in filters and transitions to give your videos a polished look without needing advanced editing skills. It's all pretty intuitive, so you can just download and start creating without getting bogged down by technical stuff. Tool 6. For background music, check out Upbeat. This tool is like a music library specifically for YouTube creators. You can find music by mood, genre, or even the kind of video you're making. Upbeat has a huge range of tracks, and the most important thing is that they're all safe to use on YouTube, so you won't run into copyright issues. Just download a track, drop it into your editor, and you've got background music that keeps your viewers engaged. Music might seem like a small detail, but it really adds to the feel of your videos. Tool 7. Once your video is ready to go, you might want to add subtitles to reach a broader audience. You definitely want to add subtitles if you're making YouTube shorts. Not everyone watches with sound on, and some viewers might not speak your language fluently. Submagic automatically generates captions for your videos, and it's surprisingly accurate. You can upload your video, let it transcribe, and then make any small edits you need. Adding subtitles isn't just for accessibility, it also helps keep viewers engaged since people are more likely to watch longer if they can read along. Plus, captions make it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video's about, which can help with ranking. Tool 8. Now, thumbnails. If there's one thing that's going to make people click on your video, it's a good thumbnail. And trust me, thumbnails can help you nail this. It's not just about creating thumbnails, but testing them, as well as your titles. Thumbnails lets you experiment with different colors, layouts, and images to see which designs get the best response. You can upload a few versions and get feedback on what works best from hundreds of real people. And if you're wondering why this matters, just think about it. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. If it doesn't grab attention, they're scrolling right past your video. Thumbnails helps you create a thumbnail that stands out and gets clicks. Tool 9. For the title and description, SEO writing is an incredible tool. This helps you write descriptions that not only sound good to viewers, but are also optimized for search engines. You just enter your main keywords, and it suggests phrases and structures to make sure your title and description are SEO-friendly. They don't just stuff keywords in randomly. SEO writing actually helps you make your text engaging and natural, which YouTube loves. Tool 10. If you want to create videos quickly and don't want to record or generate footage, Pictory is perfect for you. With Pictory, you can turn text straight into video content. Let's say you have a blog post or an article you want to convert into a video. You just upload the text, and Pictory will pull in stock footage, images, and animations to create a dynamic video. You can adjust the visuals to match what you're talking about, and it's perfect for informational videos where you're sharing tips or lists. It's like having a full production team in one tool, and it saves you from filming everything yourself. Personally, I like using all-in-one tools like Pictory more for short-form videos. For longer videos, I've realized the best thing to do is to use all the individual tools I've talked about, so that I have more control over the final product. With all these tools, you're set to automate your YouTube process from start to finish. Instead of spending hours on every little detail, these tools handle the boring, annoying work that makes you want to quit. And you can focus on what really matters, making great content for your audience. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Which of these top tools have you already used, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.